Currently having a beautiful photo shoot for one of our friends' brands called Sacred Ceremony. It's based out of Tapavan here in India, which has been absolutely delightful. We're shooting men's, women's, everything in between. It's absolutely in a yoga studio. Eric.
End of a beautiful day. A big day in Rishikesh.
It's been a big day in Rishikesh. This is what I said. Yeah, okay. So we've just had dinner with our beautiful friends at Secret Garden, and we're about to go to bed because it's been absolutely mammoth day. New contact. G'day guys, Tobini YOGINI here, and we are just in the process of attempting to order delivery pizza from a restaurant here in Rishikesh, and they had a website which was great. Not many places do have websites, and then they had two phone numbers. The first phone number didn't work. The second phone number, we got through to a gentleman, and now he said, yeah, just send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll forward it to the restaurant. What room number are you? I'm not in at the moment. So I'm now adding his number to contact so I can WhatsApp this beautiful gentleman.
And order pizza.
So here we go. I've just gone onto WhatsApp and I sent him our order, right? I said Namaste Ji, which is like, hello, dear friend. Or like, hello, sir, can I please have, and then I've popped it out, right? But then I saw this button up here and I thought, I'm just gonna click that. Look at this, catalog. Now, people might know this, but I certainly don't, and I certainly haven't ordered pizza in about 3.5 years that's gonna be able to get delivered. So I'm gonna whack that in, buffalo pizza, that's what I wanted. All right, morning adventure. So, what they don't tell you in India is that they like fucking lock sections of road into like certain parts of gated community. And like, we're going to the waterfall today, so we had to lift the bike over where you walk so we could drive it. It's normal on this channel to go off the beaten path, but if you make it up here to Secret Waterfall in Tapavan, take that extra 100-meter trek up and over the hill. Like, it is quite steep, but nothing that you can't manage if you're, you know, fit and able and got the willpower to do so. Tamsin and I have got a lot of experience when it comes to walking on tumultuous terrain because we are avid hikers. So just, if I can encourage one thing, because you'll get some privacy, you'll get to see beautiful scenery, you'll get to see minimal rubbish despite there still being a little bit, and it just creates all the more for the experience that you have. And Tam's pointed this one out before. Look at this, ready? Right here, what? Curry tree, growing wild in India, people. Curry tree, curry tree. Curry tree. Ooh, we just tucked in to a mini meditation barrel for like 20 minutes, and that was just oh man, up here is so magical. You can feel that, like, this is where Shiva came to sit and meditate. Got an energy up here. This rock. We got some croissants for breakfast that we bought yesterday, and some grapes and pomegranate. Oh,
How's that?
so nice, perfect. Just what the soul needed, to be back, revitalized, back in nature, feeling one with the water, into here. So secluded, so beautiful. It's just magical. Feeling alive. Oh, magic. Grab some bacon. at this little dude. Hello. Oh, g'day guys. We are chilling out and taking it slow this afternoon. I'm about to jump into editing this vlog. And I just wanted to do a little wrap up, a little talking piece at the end to summarize and say, and just tell you a bit of story on the way down from the waterfall. We ultimately just had to run a stray course because we got run off the road and had to damage the scooter in doing so. So we just had the fun interaction of saying, hey, I've damaged your hire scooter. What do I need to do? And this is where being nice and calmer comes into it, because these situations can go one of two ways. People can get very angry, very aggressive about the situation, or cool, calm and collected and understand things happen. Now, the gentleman that we hired the scooter off is part of the local community here that we're a part of, that our friends are a part of, that we're friends with the owner of the scooter. So that only happened because we had been nice and kind of forthcoming in every interaction with the local crew here. And because of that, the way that this man showed up was really understanding, empathetic, made sure that we were okay, and then said, look, it's probably only cost around 5,000 Indian rupee for the parts, which works out to be like 80 Australian dollars. Now, if that whole situation happened in Australia, we would have been stung with some like crazy, absurd levy or charge or whatever. And this dude just really showed up with authenticity and said, I've already sent photos, like it's fine. This actually happened similar to one of my other scooters, so the mechanic's coming out to fix both of them. Just be nice always, understand that you never know what's on the other side. Things happen, shit happens. You know, no injuries to us, that was the biggest thing, and we had other friends to kind of listen to the conversation, making sure that we're chill. And just like, it went really smoothly, and that's where just honesty, being open, being authentic and genuine and real about where you're coming from in every interaction is necessary. Now, that's not to say that, you know, I had butterflies before I went into this conversation, just because. So I just wanted to say all of that. My phone just died, so now I'm on Tamsin's one. If it's a little bit different in the shot. Nishant, my G, thank you so much for being so accommodating, understanding in this situation. If anyone's interested in hiring a scooter, let me know, leave a comment, and I can pass on Nishant's WhatsApp if you're ever in Rishikesh. So he is really, really a top quality businessman, very understanding, very cool, calm, collected, been around the block, and will always show up from a place of authenticity, especially in India where that is needed the most. Nishant, you're an absolute G. Thank you so much, bro. You're such a genuine, clear conduit of source, and I can tell that you're a Rishikesh local through and through, because the spirit of Shiva runs through you, and I see you, bro. So thank you for helping me out and just not giving me the Western price and jipping me, so to speak, man. So I genuinely appreciate that. All right, guys, till the next video. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll be active getting back to them. People have been saying about a 15-20 minute video you're after of these kind of vlog updates. I'll extend them out. I try to get over the 20-minute mark, but sometimes it just doesn't happen. So I'll make sure that I'm hitting those numbers, because the 20 minutes are good quality. That's like the length that I like to watch on YouTube videos, not too much. Don't have to sit down for an hour, but you know, not too little. So I'm trying to get the sweet spot here. Until the sweet spot in the universe, I'll see you in the next video.
Drive safe.
Drive safely. Drive safely. Practice runs on the scooties. Practice on the scooty before you get into the big smoke.